Hi guys, I said let me do some market update and a short market update rather. It's been a while. I've not done any video at all. Um, been busy with other activities, so I would love to make this video very short. And I quickly want to explain something, but before I go into that, take note of this: everything and anything I share in this video is not intended as financial advice. It's only for educational purposes, please. So we can see all the targets here I posted on the signal general signal channel. We actually met all these targets to the downside, but okay, let me remove this. This is something I want to point out again that is very important. And I saw something on BTC1, which is the futures CME futures market. Let me go to the daily time frame here. So I want to compare something, um, so that you guys should see what is happening. We all know that I've been talking about this descending pattern wedge chart pattern here. Let me get this. Okay. Oh, this descending pattern wedge chart pattern. Let me see why this is sloping downward this way. Okay, so this is what we're looking at, but this is not what I want to talk about in this video, so pardon me. So what I want to talk about, so the futures market will open um later tonight. Now this is daily time frame. It would close at exactly 11:59 and another candlestick will open. So what I'm looking at here, since the market has pushed down lower to around this level here, um let me see, to around this level here. Okay, let's just put it that level. So we should be expecting like a gap to the downside, just like this gap to the upside. So we should be expecting gap to the downside, and once we get that gap to the downside, there's high probability we're going to get some sort of move to maybe around this level here. Maybe would like consolidate around that level. Okay, so we'll like consolidate around um this level for some time. Let me put a box there. I'm still looking at this here. Maybe 53, or a week down to 51 or 50. But what I want to explain in this video is a rejection, a gap rather, a gap from here down to this level, since the market doesn't open, and once it opens it's going to open lower. I don't know if you guys get that. It's going to open lower. Now once we get a gap down, this is a gap up, this is a gap down. Once we get a gap down, it should consolidate within this range before we get price filling that gap. Why we're gonna get that gap to the downside? Because we have this previous gap up. So when we have this gap up, there's high probability at some point in the future we're going to close that gap up. So for us to close this gap down, we're going to get price pushing back up. So more reason why I'm still looking at this down sloping um support of this descending bottom red chart pattern. Okay, so so we'll look at it this way now. So let's take a look at the BTC, the main BTC USD. So just exactly what I pointed out here, and it's still what we're still looking at again. This is the first support down to this level. We can still get a rejection week lower, since we have this down sloping support, which we're seeing it's pointing lower. Okay, so nevertheless, we still need to wait. We have 2 hours for the market to close and open a new weekly and daily candlestick. So like I said, when we're going to consolidate within this level. So first of all, we want to wait. You don't need to rush into any trade. Just wait. Let it consolidate a little bit, and take note of this. Whenever we get some form of consolidation, there's high probability during that short period or long period of consolidation it will form a chart pattern. Okay, so again, the BTC one, which is the features, the CME futures market, once it opens a gap down, let's see, we're gonna get a gap down. Yes, we should get a gap down because the market has not returned back to this. So we should get a gap down, which will close this gap up. From here to here is the gap up. Okay, so we should get a gap down. So let's see what will happen, and we'll see if the gap down would give a much bigger space in between it. If the space is large enough, then we're going to, high probability, we're going to see price pushing back up, but not immediately. Okay, so I would see if I would continue to do some short videos to explain this analysis on BTC market, and probably add some other coins. Okay, so do enjoy the rest of your evening, and stay safe. Happy trading.